Over the next couple of videos, we will introduce you to the basic components of the Spark stack. In this lecture, we start with Spark SQL. After this video, you will be able to process structured data using Spark's SQL module and explain the numerous benefits of Spark SQL. Spark SQL is the component of Spark that enables querying structured and unstructured data through a common query language. It can connect to many data sources and provides APIs to convert the query results to RDDs in Python, Scala, and Java programs. Spark SQL gives a mechanism for SQL users to deploy SQL queries on Spark. Spark SQL enables business intelligence tools to connect to Spark using standard connection protocols like JDBC and ODBC. Spark SQL also provides APIs to convert the queried data into data frames to hold distributed data. Data frames are organized as named columns and basically look like tables. The first step to run any SQL Spark is to create a SQL context. Once you have an SQL context, you want to leverage it to create a data frame so you can deploy complex operations on the dataset. Data frames can be created from existing RDDs, Hive tables, or many other data sources. A file can be read and converted to a data frame using a single command. The show function here will display the data frame in your Spark shell. RDDs can be converted to data frames but require a little more work. First, you will have to convert each line into a row. Once your data is in a data frame, you can perform all sorts of transformation operations on it, as shown here, including show, print schema, select, filter, and group by. To summarize, Spark SQL lets you run relational queries on Spark. It also lets you connect to a variety of databases and deploy business intelligence tools over Spark. We will go through some of this functionality in one of the readings and in the upcoming hands-on session.